I hope y'all ready. Hey, yo, be looking out, bro. I got a lot of car content coming out from me wanting to do a custom exhaust and see how that would be, all the way down to me getting a customized wrap. I'm gonna do some more sticker bomb wrapping. I might go to different pattern. Cause I know a dude saw that and he wanted to do it to his car now, so it won't make me stick out anymore because he gonna have it. And I also wanted, like, I was building mine to be fast and look simple, but I want to do a stance build now. I saw a Lexus today, a blue one by the house. I'm talking about that thing was clean. I could go simple and clean, but that thing like gave me so many ideas. And my boy Taylor, I'm gonna put a picture on at the bottom of the bottom left, bottom right. Bottom right, cause he got a speed. And I hear it's super clean and it's super simple, but it's like that's what makes it so unique because it's super clean. But I can't even open it up for y'all a little bit. I wanted to like let y'all hear it, but traffic backed up and I had to turn the AC on. But yeah, I got a lot of, cause I'm building it from the engine out, but the outside still look decent. And also, yo, I want to thank all my subscribers, yo. I remember I had like 6 subscribers for like 2-3 months. Then like 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks, like 2 days, 3 days, my subscribers grew to 126, yo. I mean, appreciate it. I told myself when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to give away a $25 PSN card. So when I do stream Wednesday, when I stream Wednesday, I'm gonna give out the PSN code. I ain't gonna tell y'all how, cause that's what y'all be looking for. Y'all just gotta pay attention. Then I'm thinking, yo, do I wanna go, cause I'm on slower springs now. I'm thinking, yo, do I wanna go bags or coilovers? Cause I am gonna throw the fender flares baiting, do I wanna go bags? Which if you go bags, some bag companies give you a lifetime warranty, so if any of your parts go bad, they send you a new one, or they replace it for you. However that go. My man Dre, I'm gonna put his Instagram in the bottom. Go check him out. Clean his BMW out. Yo, we back. Yo, now we're at the end of this vlog. Today was just like a point of view driving. Basically, me coming from work, talking or whatever. Appreciating all 130 subscribers I got now. But yo, let's get it. I told myself when I get to 100, I'm gonna do a $25 PSN card giveaway. So tomorrow, stay tuned. Be aware I am doing a $25 PSN card giveaway. Stay tuned. Rock with me, yo. Road to 200. Let's get it.